I have an HK 598 MA audio amp I picked up for $50. The RCA has a busted RCA in there. Little males inside, and I'm using a fishing hook to try and take this out, heat it up, get that plastic. Looks like it's been attempted several times by somebody else. Stick that in there, let it heat down a little bit. Cool down. I took this off because make it a little easier for me. You can use a needle, a pick, as long as there's a piece of plastic inside that RCA and it's not a solid piece. The other side of this is as you can see, it's sealed, and some of these RCAs are these females like this in the amplifiers. You can actually push them out on the other end if you open it up. Let's give this a shot. Yeah. Wow, it's almost coming out. Let me get a little better bite on these RCAs. There it is. Looks good. So hope this helps anybody else out there that has that problem. Shouldn't have that problem if you put them in there right. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, comment below, like it, share it, whatever.